What is an inner child healing? Inner child healing is not just reconnecting with the childhood memory of yours, but much deeper and a much more complex process. When we look at the entire complex within which the inner child was created, that memory was created, then we have the potential of changing it, healing it, and restoring it. What does that mean? For example, there was a case that we were working on, and this person had a lot of disconnection with its own intuition, just could not trust herself. When we looked at what was creating that distrust in herself, in her decision making, and where is this indecisiveness coming from, we ended up in a memory of a 7-year-old who was standing on at the door while the parents were fighting. Now she was sensing fear, she was sensing discomfort, she was sensing something is wrong here. But the parents, when they noticed the child standing at the door, stopped the fighting, came and approached the child and said, "No, we were not fighting. We were just arguing." This is how adults talk sometimes. They are loud, they are noisy, and they can sound a little aggressive. Now, this child, what she was feeling internally and what was told to her were two completely different things. And a dissociation started happening. What I feel is not right. What I'm being told is right. Now, this child grew up with this belief that what I feel is wrong, what I'm told is right. Constantly then seeking attention, validation, acknowledgement from others about the decision that she has to take. She started moving away more and more from her intuition, her gut feeling, and the confidence with which she can take a decision. When we looked at, if we would have just talked to the 7-year-old, it won't have completely resolved. We have to look at the entire situation within which this was created. So we allowed her to talk to her father, we allowed her to talk to her mother, we included energy healing, we allowed her to do the energy exchange with the parents so that she can return their thoughts, feelings, and emotions that she picked up in that situation and bring back her original authentic energy. Now, this entire process comes within the ambit of regression therapy. And once you go in a semi trance, relive that memory, go through with these emotions, understand what happened, why you made a decision or a conclusion like that, do an energy exchange with the people involved, then the entire inner child complex breaks down and you're able to integrate that part of you, which makes you feel much fuller, more satisfied, more confident, gives you a lot of clarity, and you can start making a different choice. So, how do I know that my inner child is wounded and it needs attention and it needs healing? If you have patterns of abandonment, fear of rejection, if you feel sad for no reason, or you feel overwhelmed with your own emotion, you go into a lot of overthinking, you have a lot of these patterns which keep showing up in your life, then you need the inner child healing or the regression therapy. Does inner child healing only help with emotional turmoil, emotional struggles? No. It helps with your financial blocks, it helps to remove your relationship blocks, and even your physical illness and health. To give you an example, we had a case of a 30-year-old who had come to us with diabetes, type 2 diabetes, and she wanted to explore the root cause of that diabetes. When we explored that in the regression session, we went to a memory of an 8-year-old whose Nana had just passed away. And her mother was in complete distraught, complete distress, to an extent that for 3 days, the mother was hospitalized because she was so much in shock of losing her father. Now, the child witnesses this entire situation. She witnesses her mother's grief. And being a child, she's trying to console the mother and she's trying to see what she can do to help her. So, energetically, she not only invites her Nana's energy in her space, in assuring her mother that you don't have to worry, I will be your father. I will give you that love and the care, and you will not have to miss him, and you will not have to go through this pain of losing him. Now, when the child has energetically decided that, subconsciously decided that, a part of Nana's soul energy came with her. When she grew up, she started replicating a lot of Nana's characteristics, a lot of his fate, a lot of his destiny, including the physical illness that he had, which was diabetes. When she recognized that as a root cause of, oh, I did this and I did this for my mother and I did this to survive myself because I needed my mother to be around me, a lot of symptoms started to dissipate. She had brought down her medication from, say, 1000 mg to 25 mg. And that was the result of that one inner child session one regression session. When you explore the root cause, awareness is half the battle won. Healing and willpower takes care of the rest. So I've been asked many times that how long does it take for the shift to actually occur? Some people feel it immediately, to an extent that once we did a session and someone lost 3 kgs overnight. The effects of inner child regression therapy is profound. It has a ripple effect across different sectors of your life. So if you're working on your finances, you will suddenly notice your relationships changing, your body changing, your health becoming better. Or if you're working on your health, suddenly your finances improve. We live in an entangled system. It's all interlinked. One and each regression session is extremely powerful. It works even if you don't have a memory of your childhood. It works because at the subconscious level, your body remembers everything. So it taps into the cellular memory of your body and helps you release what no longer is working for you. If you would like to explore this process, if you would like to explore the area of your life that you've been struggling to change, then book a clarity call with us. The details are given on our website, and I hope to see you on the other side.